Ever felt that gut-wrenching moment when you accidentally erase that special message from your crush? It almost feels like someone's reaching in and trying to yank your heart out, doesn't it? Well, as dramatic as that sounds, I've been there, and I know many of you have felt the same sting. Hey guys, welcome back to joberTech channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit as hard as you can that subscribe button for more tips, tricks, and heart-saving tech solutions. Today, I'll guide you through giving your users the ability to restore deleted data in your app before it's gone for good. This feature isn't just about enhancing user experience. It's about preventing those little heartbreaks from unintentional mishaps. Alright, let's dive right in. We have here a simple app that displays all your conversation with all of your chicks. But never mind the design, guys. I know you can conjure up a better aesthetic than this. Let's focus on the magic happening behind the scenes. Over here, we have a drop-down menu button. And once we choose to delete this, it doesn't disappear into the abyss right away. Instead, we get this lifesaver undo button with this ticking countdown to show that we still have time to recover losses when it's needed. And voila! It resurrected like our Lord Jesus Christ. And as you'd guessed, if the timer runs out and you've done nothing, say goodbye to that chat for good. While we've set a 3-minute grace period here, depending on your needs, you can tweak it into any duration of your liking. So this is what we're gonna be coding today. So let's create the files we need. But wait a minute. Why go through the motions of coding all over again when everything's working like a charm? Are you kidding me? So instead of watching paint dry, let's get straight to dissecting the magic potion behind this feature. The central point of this solar system is the concept of deleted flag in your data. When a user opts to delete the data, this flag gets activated, and the exact moment of deletion time gets recorded. To determine if the deleted data needs to be permanently removed, we juxtapose the current time and the time of deletion plus your chosen grace period. When the data that is marked as deleted crosses its grace period, how can that data be wiped from the database? Well, this is where we need a garbage collector. Think of it as our janitor diligently sweeping up and discarding flag data at regular intervals. So if you're using Firebase, creating a cloud function that operates cyclically is the way to go. So let's take a closer look at how the code looks like. Here is our chat room object, which represents this list style. And as you can see, we have this deleted of type boolean and this optional deleted at of type datetime. And here is our deleted chat room and undo deletion methods. We are not doing anything fancy here, but just simply updating this deleted at and deleted fields. So the main core of our UI logic lives in this timeLeft notifier subclass. For those of you unfamiliar with this state notifier provider, I've got a dedicated video explaining its ins and outs, and the link is in the description below. So the main idea here is that this start timer is the one responsible for extracting the expiration time from this deleted at which marks when the user deleted the data. We then adjust this based on our grace period, which is set at 3 minutes in our case. After determining the expiration time, it passes on to our TikTok helper method. What this helper method does is to compute the time left by getting the difference between the expiration time and the current time. And then down here, we check if the time left has gone negative. If so, we set our state to duration.0. And if not, assign the timer left and iterate this method every seconds until it eventually turns negative. So there, this is the whole mechanism of extracting the time left between an expiration time and the current time. You can then use this in your UI and conceal the deleted data from users. So let's take a look at how to use this in action. So this is our time left widget, and inside here, we are watching the provider that is responsible for calculating the time left. And we are extracting the time left in minutes and the time left in seconds, and then display it in a text widget. As simple as that. And here in the deletion check wrapper, we check if our timer is currently ticking. If so, then we return the chatroom list style with an opacity of 0.5, and if no longer ticking, which means the grace period has already expired, so we conceal it using this size box. And our backend janitor will be the one to handle the cleaning for us to permanently wipe out from our database. There you go, guys. I hope the whole concept was clearly explained. But if any part seemed foggy or confusing, please don't hesitate to drop your question in the comment section below. To wrap up, giving users a second chance can be a game changer in user experience. They'll appreciate the room to reconsider, especially when it involves precious memories or vital information. Implementing this feature not only makes your app more forgiving, but also more user-friendly. Thank you so much for tuning in, guys. If this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your fellow Flutter enthusiasts, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button because this would encourage me to create more valuable content like this.